Yes, now we are welcome to the partial fractions. In this, today we have to say seventh D exercise, last exercise for today's session. In this, we are going to find out quotient power x cube or quotient power x square or quotient power x power n in the given expansion. This we need to find it out. So you will get more clarity when you discuss the questions individually. Here the 7D it is linking with 7th A B C because we need to know we have to know what's a type 1 model, what's a type 2, what's a type 3. These are three types you has to know very clearly which model it's. This is denominator more, both are equal, numerator is more. That is we know very clearly. Then before entering into the 7th D, we has to know some formulas. What are the formulas? Means 1 minus x whole inverse. 1 minus x whole inverse. The expansion of this one 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 up to so on like this. This is the expansion of 1 minus x whole inverse. Formula, please copy this formula. Next, 1 minus x, 1 plus x whole inverse. This is 1 minus x whole inverse, 1 plus x whole inverse. If both are same, minus same, if it is both are same, you'll get positive answers. If it is plus and minus, it becomes minus, you'll get alternate minus. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 minus x power 5. Keep on going on there. This expansion should be like this. Next one more, 1 minus x whole power minus 2 is there. For this, you'll get 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x power 4. Keep on going on there. Because minus into minus plus. All are you are getting plus values, but see this sequence is different. Am I clear? Here minus into minus plus. All you are going to get positive. Plus into minus, all our alternate minus will come. That you need to remember. This is inverse. This is minus 2, power 2. Power 2 means 1 plus 2x. This is only x square. 1 plus 2x, 3x square. It'll go to 2x power 1, 3x square, 4x cube, 5x power 4. One power is going to be down. Other than the quotient, like this you'll get. If it is similarly 1 plus x whole power minus 2, you may expect alternate to minus 4x cube plus 5x power 4 like this. This is the expansion of these individuals. This you people has to remember when you're doing the 7th D questions. Still any doubt? Please copy the formulas for your reference. Can I move to questions now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take it a screenshot and keep it with you. When you're working, it becomes easy for you. Chalo, let us take the questions. 7th D. I'm trying to take a first question. Just I'll copy the question. I don't want to write all these things. 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x. This is the question. In this question, you need to find out what they're telling. Find out x power 3 coefficients. In this expansion, you need to find x power 3 coefficients. That is a simple question. Whatever the power coefficient, keep it aside. First, you take a question actually. How the question look like? 5x power 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus. Is it a model 1 or model 2 or model 3? How it look like? Look like model 1, model 2, model 3.
Model,
Huh?
model 2, sir.
Model 2. What is the model 2? Tell me, please.
Greater.
Which is the greater?
Your denominator is greater.
That is what we people are learning. It is model 2 is greater. When you're entering to the classes, you people has to must know that what is the model. This is the 4th day of your partial fractions. The model 1 is, what is the model 1?
Model 1 is equal.
Model 1 is denominator is more than the numerator. Classes etla vinnaru? Model 2 is denominator is equal to numerator. Model 3 is numerator is more than the denominator. The model 1 class మొత్తం ఒక 2 days you are working with this model 1 only. Model 2, just recently we are entered into 7th C. Model 2. Am I clear? 7th B or 7th
Yes.
C. Model 3 become exclusively 7th C. We have some questions, not all. Okay, that's what you need to remember. This is the question is look like is a model 1 because denominator is more than the numerator. Model 1. How you have to open? A by x plus 2 b by 1 minus x. Okay. This question, what you have to do, you know the process, right? 5x plus 6 into a into 1 minus x plus b into x plus 2. Denominator cancel. I don't want to touch. So next, what you has to do for this to get a value, b value, what you people has to do? Please tell me the answer. What is the logic we need to follow? X is equal to 1, you'll get value of b. Next, x is equal to minus 2. Substitute in the above equation, you'll get value of a. Okay. What's the value of a? What's the value of b? The value of a is minus 4 by 3. The value of b, I am telling it is 11 by 3. If people has to work, you'll get these answers. So it means what I can write, the answer is equal to minus 4 by 3, right? Minus 4 by 3 into 2 plus x. Is what's the value of b? 11 by 3, right? 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. Still any doubt till this?
No, sir.
Okay, this is, it's a old version. This is already, you know, I didn't did anything. Just gathering what you know that. From this, I will be try to do my requirement of Expo 3 question, how I am going to looking into that. And I am writing the question in the next page. So what is the question here? 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus 6. When I was writing, I got an answer here. Minus 4 by 3 into 2 plus x plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. Till this, there is nothing new, everything you know. After this, what I'm doing here is minus 4 by 3. This 2 plus x I'll go to top. What you're going to get? 2 plus x, what can I write? Or else I'll do one thing for your convenient. I'll write in the next page. I'll do erase and I'll write to understand. The next step I can write very easily. So next, minus 4 by 3 is there. I'm taking it as 2 is a common. I'm taking 2 is a common. What are you going to get? Can I write x 1 plus
1.
x by 2?
Yes.
Next 11 by 3, 1 minus 6. Next to what can I write? Minus 4 by 6. This 1 plus x by 2 is down. I'll make it top. 1 plus x by 2 whole inverse. Next 11 by 3 is there. This 1 minus x I'll make it top. 1 minus x whole inverse. Still is any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Now I'm trying to open it is minus 4 by 6. This is 1 plus x. This is, you can treat it x. 1 plus x whole inverse. What is the formula? 1 plus x whole inverse.
1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 minus x
Alternative
plus
plus and minus. Okay.
Yes.
That formula I should write down. 1 minus x. X means x by 2 plus x square. X by 2 whole square plus x cube and minus x cube plus x power 4. I'll try to stop here only because why I'm trying to is you want only x cube quotient. So x cube I'm going to get here. So I'll stop here. I'll continue make it dot dot. Am I clear? If they're asking x
Yes.
power 6, you'll continue till x power 6. Next 11 by 3. What is the formula? 1 minus x whole inverse plus. Both are plus. 1 plus x, x square, x cube, x power 4. I'm trying to stop here only because x cube is enough to me. Okay. Till this clear? Any doubt?
Clear.
Okay. After this, what you people has to do? You want x cube quotient. They want only x cube quotient. X cube is a thing will come in this expansion here and in this expansion here also. Clear? Right. How I am writing? Please looking into the matter. This is minus 4 by 6 is there. Minus 4 by 6 into x cube quotient. How much you'll get? Minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Am I clear? It's minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Minus 1 by 3 whole cube means what is the answer you're going to get? Minus 1 by 1 by 2, right? Or 1 minus 1 by 2. X square, right? Sorry. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube. You're going to get minus 1 by 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 1 by 8. Am I clear? Any doubt?
Clear.
Still in it, again you can ask me. X cube quotient I want. X cube quotient means what? 1 by 2 whole cube, and minus is there, minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8 into this minus 4, 1 4 by 6. This is a whole quotient. This is a whole expansion because minus 4 by 6 is linked with this also.
Yes.
So this is what a quotient of x cube in the first expansion. Place x cube quotient here. How much it is there? 1. 1 multiplied with 11 by 3. So here how much answer? 11 by 3. This is the answer with second expansion. We are only 2 expansions here and here. Okay. Next, the thing is here, you need to do simplification. Minus into minus
Yes.
plus 4. 8 4 8 6 ja 48 plus 11 by 3. 2 2 ja 224 ja 2 1 ja 212 ja. Am I clear? So final answer you are going to get 1 by 12 plus 11 by 3. After you simplified, you are going to get an answer 12 3 is 36. This will become 3. Am I clear? 12 11 ja. 2 1 ja, right? 2 by 3 or 4 by 3? It is 2 by 3, right? Okay, okay. Oh, it is becomes what you are going to get it out? 12 11 ja. 12 10 ja 120. 120 plus 12, 132. 132 plus 3 135. 135 by 36. So this will become 3 table is perfect. 3 12 ja 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja. Next 3 4 ja
15
12,
4.
3
15 by
15 ja. Nothing will be there, right? The final answer is 15 by 14. 15 by 4. Okay. Any doubt in this? Still here?
no,
This is how we did off the power x power 3 or x square, whatever it is, the x power and also no problem. You need to understand the procedure, how what extent I should go and what extent I should go, and I'll take a common. Okay, can I go to next question?
yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Next, I'll go a little fast for say next question because this thing is you understand. I'll take next question. It is 3x square plus 2x by x square plus 2 into x minus 3. Please tell me what is the model this one?
Ax plus b by
This is a model
x
1.
square plus 2.
This is a model 1. You have to say like this. Okay. Or else I'll write a simple. First of all, I'll write very tough. Then after I'll write two simple one. So next, here a by x minus 3. For your convenient, I'm writing bx minus bx plus c by x square plus 2. This is I'm writing over here. Then after this, I don't want to solve all these things. You know how to solve all these things. I'm writing just directly the answers. After that, you can look into the matter. The value of a is equal to 0. Then the value of b, I'm writing it is b a is equal to 3. Sorry, a is equal to 3, and b is equal to 0, and the value of c is equal to 2. These are the values you are going to get it out. Okay. After writing the value, what you can get 3 by x minus 3 plus b value is 0. The c is there, so 2 by x square plus 2. This is the values you are going to get it out. Still clear? Any doubt? Okay. After this, I'll writing to the next page. Till this no doubt, right? Finding ABC, it's you are only already you know the process, how to do it or all these things. This you can work your own. If it is not getting, please look into me. Just I'm writing directly the question. 3x square plus 2 by x minus 3 into x square plus 2. Next year I'm writing it is what is the value of a? 3.
3.
3 by x minus 3 plus 2 by x square plus 2. This is a model already you know. Next, next thing is what here I told you we have what I should become every time we need to get it a denominator 1 minus x or 1 minus x you need to get, but here it should not be 1. It is some value. What are the values that you can take a common? Here it is not available 1. You can take common. You are not available. You can take common. So what I can do? 3 by I'll take minus 3 directly common. Minus 3 I'll take common means 1 minus x by 3 I'll get. Am I clear? Minus will take
Yes.
on 1. X is there, x by 3. It will go top minus minus. Now we'll go minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus into minus plus x with the cancel. Well, x will come. Same. Next, 2 by. What I should take common? If I take 2 is a common, 1 plus x square by 2 you are going to get. Still this any problem? Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, till this okay. Next, according to the our rule, we need to send it to top. 3 cancel. Just minus is available, minus 1. So 1 minus x by 3 whole inverse. Plus 2 to cancel. 1 plus x square by 2 whole inverse. Still no any problem? Still clear, right? Now we are trying to
Yes.
expand this answer. Actually, the question is what they are asking x power 4 coefficients. X power 4 coefficients. X power 4 is enough. So 1 plus x square, right? 1 plus x square, 3 square it is 9, x cube, 3 3 is 27, x power 4 it is 81, up to so on like this. Next, what is this? 1 plus x whole inverse alternate minus 1 minus x plus x square. Next, x cube. X cube means what? What are you going to x power 6 by 2 3 8 will come. Till this you can stop because x power 4 you got already. X power 4 you got already. Till this you can stop the process. Okay. So next case, what you can do, you can take according to your questions, you can copy. What is the x power 4 quotient you want? X power 4 quotient. X power 4 quotient means what you're going to get 1 by 81 minus is there. So minus 1 by 81. Next plus what is there here? 1 by 4 into 1. So 1 by 4 is there. Minus 81 by minus 1 by 81, 1 by 4. Please you can simplify. You're going to get an answer 77 by 324. This is you're going to get an answer. Still any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. I'm looking to the third question. Next, third question is simple. Here, just take a question. X minus 4 by x square minus 5x plus 6. This is look like a model one. I am trying to change the question. It is x minus 1 by. You can take a factorization. You are going to get x minus 2 into x minus 3. So this is look like a model one, right? Model one, what you can do? A by x
A
minus
by
2,
x minus 2.
b by x minus 3. After you are going to get, you will find value of a and value of b. I'm writing directly value of a and value of b for your convenient. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. So what can you do? 2 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3. This is the answer you are going to get. Okay. So these after this you can go for x power n quotient, right? Here you require x power n quotient. So you should concentrate in x power n quotient. So I'll try to write the question. Expansion x minus 4 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. This what you are going to get answer 2 by x minus 2 and minus 1 by x minus 3. So after this, the concept is simple. Here we required 1. It is not minus 2. It should 1 minus x. It should be like that. So what you can do? You can take minus 2 common. So 1 minus x by 2 will come. Here minus 3 you can take common. What are you going to get? 1 minus x by 3. This is the case. 2 to cancel will come. So after the simplification, what you're going to get the answer here? Minus 1 into 1 minus x by 2 whole power inverse. This is minus minus cancel. It becomes plus. So what you can get directly 1 by 3, 1 minus x by 3 whole power minus 1. Till this any problem? Any doubt? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you should start expanding your here. Minus 1 into 1 minus x whole inverse. What do you get? All are positive.
Plus 1 plus.
1 plus x. Next x square up to so on x power n. I'm writing directly x power n. X power n means x by 2 whole power n. Up to so on. I'll leave this. Next 1 by 3. 1 plus x Next x square. I want x power n, direct x power n, x by 3 whole power n, up to so on. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Right. Next, we are trying to write x power n quotients. X power n quotients means just you looking at x power n quotients only. What is this x power n? 1 by 2 power n. Minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into 1 by 2 power n for first expansion. Second expansion, 1 by 3 power n into 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 power n. Okay, this is second expansion. After you simplify, what are you going to minus 1 by 2 power n plus 1 by 3 power 1, 3 power n. What are you going to get? 3 power n plus 1. Okay. So this is your final answer for your x power n quotient for a given question. Till this, any doubt?
No,
So previous two questions x cube and x power 4, it's very simple. For come to the x power n now. So you must be take a right directly x power n, direct x power n, looking to the quotients and before what is there. Those are very important. If you forgot this, answer becomes you're going to get wrong way. You need to very clear it is. Okay. Can I move to third question, fourth question? Little important fourth one. Yeah. Now I'll go to fourth question here. The fourth question I'll go little fast. 3x by 1 minus x into x minus 2 whole square. This is look like a model 1 again. So I'm writing a by what is the x minus 1? Sorry, question is copied wrong. X minus 1, x minus 2. So a by x minus 1, b by x minus 2, c by x minus 2 whole square. Then take common and all these things you has to working out. So I don't want to write all this answer. I'm writing a is equal to 3. Please take the answer. B is equal to minus 3. C is equal to 6. You can do your operation as like first exercise. You'll get an answer. A is equal to 3. B is equal to minus 3. C is equal to 6. Substitute all answers. You can write the answer. I'm writing the next page directly. 3x by x minus 1 x minus 2 whole square. The value of a is 3, right? So 3 by x minus 1. Value of b is what? Minus 3.
minus 3
So
by
minus
x
3 by
minus 2.
x minus 2. Value of c is 6. 6 by x minus 2 whole square. Still is no problem. Okay. From this, what is the problem here? 3 by x minus 1 is there. So you can take minus common. It becomes 1 minus x. It look like very fine. Minus I'll take common. X minus 3 by this is I can take minus 2. You can take common. It becomes 1 minus x by 2. Okay. With this, what can I take common? Minus 2 you take common. Minus 2 square will come. Minus 2 whole square becomes plus 4. You'll get 4. This you can write 1 by x minus 2 whole power 1 whole power 2. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ వరకు?
Okay, sir.
From this, we'll go to next one. There is no cancellation. 3 2s, 3 3s. Okay. Next, I'll expand these things. Minus 3 into 1 minus x whole inverse. Next, 3 by 2 minus minus plus 3 by 2 1 minus x whole by 2 whole inverse. Next, 3 by 2 1 minus x x by 2 whole power minus 2. This is very important. Till this, very important. Is it okay? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm trying
In-
to expand this one according to the requirement. What you have a formula here? What you're going to get here? Minus
all
3 into
possible.
1 plus x x square up to so on x power n, keep on going on there. I don't want to touch because we want x power n quotients or concentration x power n. Next 3 by 2 into what you're going to get? 1 plus
All
x
possible.
x square up to so on x power n by 2 power n up to so on. I don't want to touch. Next 3 by 2. This is also x power n. This is 1 minus x whole power minus 2. The formula is different. What is this? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square up to so on. This nth term is different. Please try to write n plus 2 into x power n 1 plus n plus 2 into x power n. Previously this is a different, just you are telling it is what I can say x power n, right? Here it is, this you have to write down the formula 1 plus x 1 plus 2x 3x square up to so on n plus 2 into x power n. This is very important, nth term. I didn't write in the formula. Please let us looking into that. This is important. Okay. After this, I'm trying to write here only the answer because we keep on going on that time. If I turn the page, you will become some confusion zone will come. Till this clear, right? I'm trying to erasing. I'm right top only because comparison requirements is little easy for us. Let us I'm trying to write the answers now. So x power n quotient. X power n quotient means what you get x power n 1 into 3 to minus 3 first. Okay, no problem, right? Next second one is 3 by 2 x power n 1 by 2 power n. Okay, till this no problem. Next, what is the third one? 3 by 2 into what you are going to get out here, n plus 2 or n plus 1. 3 by 2, right? Okay, this is x by 2, right? This is 2 3 by 2 will get. This is what n plus 1, I think so formula. It is, I'll write n plus 1 into 1 by 2 power n, I think so. Yes, x power n quotient. This you can write n plus 1, sorry. Okay, so this is the way. Now it is clear, right? This is the
Yes.
first one. This is the second expansion. This is the third expansion. Third expansion little new right now because this is 1 plus x 1 minus x whole minus 2. This is the nth term. N plus 1 1 by x power n. X power n 1 by 2 power n. Till this clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now we are trying to, if it is possible, you can make it simplify. Otherwise, you can stop process here only. Nothing wrong in that. So because your possibilities will move forward little bit, then I'll write final answer. Here, what is the final answer? Minus 3 plus 3 by 2 power n plus 1 plus 3 power n plus 1 by 2 power 1 2 power n. So 2 power n plus 1. Okay. This is the final answer for a last question for x power n coefficients in the given question. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No.
So this is the way with this x power n coefficients how we are going to get. So this is becomes a little, you think that this is a model 4 model. You may expect a question like this. Model 1 denominator more, model 2 both are same, model 3 numerator is more, model 4 you may expect x power some coefficient, some x square or x cube, whatever it is there. You people has to understand the concept of here, the formulas which is important here. So this I'll try to write here x power n. Here it is. Here this is plus minus, right? What can I write here? N plus 1 into x power n model. This is nth extension here. Okay, this 2 is enough to move forward. Am I clear? So any more
Yes, sir.
doubt, please let us know. Till this we have to practice over here.